So the last time I used this camera was probably 2 years ago. And last time it was having trouble with the shutter button. Every time I pushed it down, it wouldn't work. So I would have to push the timer to take pictures. So let's see if it works today. I haven't loaded film in a long time too. So let's see how this goes. Looks like it worked. Alright, so I think I found the first location, the first spot that I want to hang this shirt on. Let me show you. I'm going to try to hang it on that post right there with the skyline in the background. How's it going? Alright, so with the first shot, again, it wasn't working. So I had to hold down the timer and then click it for it to finally start working. And now I found a new location right here. I mean, just across the street, but I think it'll look cool if we just hang the t-shirt like this. We gotta get down on the floor for this one. Just trying to find a good angle. All right, here we go. So I'm gonna try to get a shot right here on these stairs. Hopefully I can find a good angle. Maybe this could be the angle right here, with the shirt hanging on the fence and then with the bridge in the background. I don't know how I feel about it. Maybe I'll just take a picture with my iPhone so I at least have something. Maybe from this angle. I mean, it's not bad. It's not good, but it'll do. Most of the time, you're just looking for spots to see where things will look good. And I don't know if I should just keep going up this bridge because everything's the same. So I'm just gonna drape down this t-shirt right here on the edge of the bridge with the downtown LA skyline. Let's see if it comes out. All right, gotta get on the floor again. Let's get closer, and 3, 2. Keep forgetting to push the timer. Damn, that one's shaky. So I also want to get pictures of myself in the shirt, but using a point and shoot film camera, that's gonna be hard because I can't monitor myself. So I'm probably gonna have to like just spray and pray. Hopefully it comes out good. So I'm gonna be real with you. Most of the videos I create are scripted, and this is like the first video that's not scripted at all. So it's kind of difficult for me to do, but I just want to get better at making videos on the fly. Like, I don't want to wait for inspiration to make something. I just want to get out there, pull my camera, and create something. So my bad if this is not a good vlog, but I promise I'll get better. Yeah, so I'm thinking maybe I'm gonna have to drive a couple blocks over because I'm not seeing anything right now. So I've been here for around half an hour and I've only taken 4 shots. I need to give y'all vloggers some props because this shit is hard, bro. So we're here at a new location and I really need to step it up because like I showed you last time, I only took 4 pictures and this film has 36. So let's get to it. So I'm here at one of my favorite spots, It has the skyline of downtown LA that you can see perfectly. So I'm gonna try to get myself in frame with the point and shoot film camera. So let's see how that works. It just fired off once I got in front of the camera. Hopefully I was in frame on that picture right there. I got a better view of the downtown LA skyline right here. Check it out. So out of the 36 cameras, I'm hoping to get at least 5 good pictures. So I got my fingers crossed. All right, let's go get the film developed.